Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gemini crypto trading app dashboard, secure access step by step clearly. Open the Gemini crypto trading app on your device. Locate the login button on the home page. Tap on the login button to proceed. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure that your password is correct and meets security requirements. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check for the prompt. Open your authentication app or SMS to retrieve the verification code. Enter the verification code in the provided box. After entering the code, tap the login button to access your dashboard. Wait for a moment as the app verifies your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Gemini dashboard. If you encounter any errors, double-check your email and password. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset email. After resetting your password, return to the login page to sign in again. Always ensure you are using a secure network when accessing your account. Your Gemini dashboard will now be ready for your trading activities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.